Hi guys, today we will learn how to submit a delete request. We will be trying to delete booking and it will be very simple test. So why don't you guys try and do it yourself first without any tips? After you learn all other methods, this one should be fairly easy to do. So start your test method with create a new booking and then use that booking ID to delete it. So pause the video and try it. Now let me show you how I would create this delete test. So first of all, let's scroll down. Let's scroll up. As you see, there is no any body for this test. So just the URL which contains the booking ID that we want to delete. And in the response we should get 201 status code. So let's do it. Let's copy partial update or update booking because we will need this first part to create booking before we try to delete something. So instead of deleting the default booking, we will delete the one we just created. And same as before, I will copy other test. I will rename it to delete booking test. I will change the name of test method. This part gonna be the same. We will be creating booking. We do not have body for this test, so we can delete the body. And then delete booking. Response delete. So response delete will be rest assured given authentication, and then instead of page, delete with our booking ID that we want to delete. And let's fix this one. Response delete print. Let's save. Yeah, here we do not need content type, we do not need body. So rest assured given authorization dot basic admin password dot delete. For the verification, status code should be 201. So 201. Let's change the variable name. Status code should be 201. Let's remove all other verifications. We are not using soft assert, so we can delete this part. Save. Ctrl-Shift-O to remove all unused imports, or you can just go to source and organize imports instead of manually deleting all the imports that we are no longer using. And I believe that's it. So let's run delete booking test. Run as TestNG test. And test passed. If we go to console, first we created booking with ID number 19, and then we deleted, and this word created was printed, just like we see here. So it's actually the mistake or intentional defect in this RESTful Booker API. So it's not printing delete, instead it's printing created. But we can also create, or not create, but add another verifications. So we can add a simple get booking test here to make sure that when we try to get booking with this booking ID, it gives us nothing. So let's go to get booking test and let's copy this response rest assured get. Copy. Let's add it here. So a response get and the booking ID. Let's change the booking ID here. So instead of 5, we are using our booking ID. And I do not remember what happens if we try to get booking that no longer exists. So let's run this test. Let's see what's going to be printed to the console. And then we will add verifications depending on what is there. So right click, run as, oh, not the get booking, delete booking. Right click on delete booking, run as TestNG test. And let's see. Okay, so we are getting this not found message. So how do we verify this not found message? As you see, it's not JSON. JSON starts with this curly bracket JSON object. But this created and not found does not start with the curly bracket. So it's basically a text. So body contains text, or body consists of the text, response body. So all we have to do is just basically get response body as a string. So let's start our assertion. Assert equals and actual. So to get actual, we get this response get dot get body dot as string. So it will give us body as a string. And expected, let's copy our expected, not found. Let's paste it here. And let's add error message. Body should be not found. I'll put not found inside of the single quotes. But it's not. Just like that. Also, let's fail this test first time intentionally, so I'll just add 3 exclamation point in front of not found to see if test will fail with this assertion. So let's run it. Delete booking, right click, run as TestNG test. Test failed. And what our error message says? Body should be not found, but it's not. Okay, expected not found with 3 exclamation point, but exclamation marks, but found not found. Okay, so test is working. Let's delete these 3 exclamation marks, save, and run it one more time, one last time, to make sure this time it passed. Yep, now test passed. So our test to verify that we can delete booking is complete. So first we create new booking, then we delete this new booking. We made sure that response code from the delete response was 201, and then we tried to get this booking and made sure response message from response get was not found. And that's it. Now you know how to run all possible REST requests: post, get, put, patch, and delete.